Caramel is delicious on things like ice cream or donuts, but have you ever tried it on something savory? So today I'm going to show you how to make Vietnamese caramel chicken. It's super delicious. You can use boneless chicken or chicken thighs. Today I'm going to use chicken wings. And the first thing to do is make the marinade. Super simple. The marinade is only 2 ingredients, some brown sugar and fish sauce. I know, if you've never had this flavor combination, you might be a little weirded out, but the two go together so well, kind of like salted caramel. That's this right here. Just whisk it up. That looks great. Now all you have to do is mix it into the chicken. Go in and make sure everything is coated in that delicious marinade. Allow this to marinate for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, you could prepare the goodies for the sauce. I've got some ginger. I just need a little nubbin. You can use the back of your knife to just peel off the skin. All right, freshly shaved, like me before a big date. Now, grate it up. Next, for some garlic, just grate it up as well. Garlic and ginger are like 2 smelly best friends that really complement each other, you know? Like me and my bestie, AKA me and my dog. And some bird's eye chilies. If you like it super spicy, use as many as you'd like. And some scallion. I like both the white and green parts. Chicken is ready. Now I have a pan here. I'm just gonna heat up some oil. Before we get to the sauce, I like to brown up the chicken a little bit, so pat it dry with some paper towel and into the pan. You don't have to fully cook it, just brown it a bit on both sides. Some of them are ready to flip already. See, you don't need to cook them all the way through, just to get a little bit of color on them. It'll help the caramel sauce later. These look good, just pull them out. What's left over in the pan are now these beautiful golden bits, and we're gonna use that to further flavor the sauce. So in here goes some more brown sugar and just a little bit of water. And this is the start of the caramel sauce, okay? As it cooks down with all the other ingredients, it's gonna thicken up. Make sure you use a wooden spatula, get in there, scrape it all up. Because of the liquid, it'll release very easily. Go ahead and add in the garlic and ginger, chilies, some rice vinegar, some more of our good friend fish sauce, a little bit of water, and black pepper. It doesn't look like it now, but it will thicken up. Trust me. You want something to thicken up, it'll thicken up. Now's the time to add the chicken back into the pan and cover this up and let it simmer on really low heat for about 10 minutes. You could check on it, flip it over if you'd like. Let's check this out. Woo-hoo! It's halfway through cooking. I'm gonna let it sit here for another 5 minutes, but I'm gonna turn over all the chicken. Just gonna cover it up again and let it cook for a few more minutes. All right, look at this. The sauce has thickened up. See that? That's the caramel right there. The chicken is cooked all the way through, and I'm just gonna leave the lid off to let any more of that water evaporate so you can really get the chicken wings coated. You know this is ready to serve when all that sauce pulled away from the pan and is sticking right onto the wings. For a little freshness, just sprinkle some of those green onions. And there you have it, caramel chicken wings. I can't wait. Ooh, ooh yeah, look at that caramel about to drip off. I'm not letting you go, baby. There really is no pretty way of eating this. Tear off one of the bones. I really hope you give this a try. I'll see you next time. Bye.